some pancake. This is milk. This is flour. This is whipped cream, butter, egg, strawberry, and banana. But we need your help. But this is the ingredient of the pancake. Let's do this. We're ready. So flour first. Wow, this is so awesome. Let's plug the eggs into this bowl. Okay. Whoa, it's broken. Now 2 eggs. That was really good. Yeah. 1 cup for milk. Stop. Now let's put milk in this. Wow. Next, we will put the egg. Done. What's this here? Now, the last one. Hot, I think so.
คืออะไร
Oh, so this is butter. We will mix it. Let's mix. Mix. Whoa, let's mix like this. Ooh. Ooh, it's good. It smells good. It's good. It's like glue bun. It's like slimy goo Jetson. And also dino power. It's okay. It's yummy. Ta-da! Now let's open this. Okay, let's pour this in. Me, then you, okay, Thobin? Oh, what a yummy pancake. And me too. Okay. Put it all around. It's yummy. It's delicious. See? Let's put it on the plate. And if it's hot, we can't eat it. I will eat some waffle with my baby. Bye, thanks for watching. Have a nice waffle. I mean pancake. Bin แค่บินกินอันนี้บินจะบอกป๊าให้ทำเป็นฮักนะป๊าทำวอฟเฟิลฮักให้
โรลล่า
โทบินได้ไหม
สตรอเบอรี่นะ
บินโทบินอยากเอาฮักไม่ใช่กัปตันอเมริกา